happy about the sudden turn of events in his life. Her life. His life? Her life? What am I looking at here? Hey!
Her life. Her life.
Her life?
Yep. See how those are small? Right here is first set of... They're thin.
Yes.
Male. They're bigger. See how those ones are thick?
Yeah. Male?
This is a male. That's a female.
Are the females typically bigger?
No,
That's how
no.
they are, right?
Yeah.
Close the pot. Okay.
Oh, this now we set it. Part. But when we set it, you want to watch your feet. If you get your feet round in the rope, you're going. Yeah.
Get your feet tangled up, you get dragged to the bottom, you're dead.
Yeah, pretty much.
Who dives in after me? Should that happen?
We're just gonna keep going.
You guys like Rochambeau?
Yeah.
Somebody go get Mike.